Hey, Liam!
Hi, Dad!
I got something for you.
What is it?
It's underneath the covers.
Wow! A LEGO Minifigure vending machine! But there's a problem.
What is it, bud?
I don't have any coins.
Oh, alright. How about this? I'll give you some coins if you help Mommy with the chores.
Okay, Dad.
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it!
Okay, Liam, first up, you're gonna help water the plants. Okay, now you're gonna vacuum the rug. Awesome, buddy. Now you're gonna help Dad put the clothes in the dryer. Now that that's done, you're gonna help put the plates in the dishwasher. Now for an extra coin, do you have a good joke?
Guess what I am? What are you? A goldfish. What is it, bud? What do you call a duck that gets all A's? What? A wisecracker.
All done, buddy.
Thank you for the coins, Dad!
Most welcome, buddy. Go ahead, choose whatever you want.
I think I want the ice cream cone man! Here's ice cream cone man!
Alright, good job. Okay, choose another one.
I think I want giraffe guy! Here goes the coin. Here he is, giraffe man!
Alright, good job, buddy.
Now I want spider ham! Here's spider ham!
Alright, good job, buddy. Who's next?
Garmadon! Here's Garmadon!
Oh, wow. Who's next, buddy?
Now I want Orcaman! Here's Orcaman!
Alright, good job, buddy.
Now I want Pythor! Here's Pythor!
Alright.
Now I want Mr. Frowny Face! Here's Mr. Frowny Face!
Alright.
Now I want Hagrid! It's Hagrid!
Good job.
Now I want the mystery one.
What do you think it is, Liam?
Maybe a Lego animal? Green Lantern? Or is it Unikitty? I don't know.
Let's find out.
Let's find out. It's the Hulk! Woohoo! That's it, kids! kids, if you like this video, make sure to press the like and subscribe button. And press the bell to be notified for new videos on